Freckles. How are you? This is a Lenny. And now, so this is my bird. That's Freckles. He is cute. Let me move that. Oh, what? What, Freckles? You don't like selfies? And this is my bird, Murphy. That's Murphy. Come here, Murph. Ah! You bit me. Jeez, Freckles, do you seriously have to bite me? Murphy. You are in love. Ha 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 ha. They love each other. They like each other. See? Okay, I'm gonna end the video now. So, hope that you guys are having a nice day. My birds are too. So, I'm gonna publish the video right now. And I'll promise I'll make more. I'll keep adding more soon. I don't know. So, bye.